Okay, Chris, let's see if this works. We have Clifford the big red dog in the background, so that's for added entertainment. So you see I'm in a terminal window. In fact, we call this shell, and it's a way to give commands to the computer. So remember, the command ls will show the directory contents. So I'm going to type that. You can see I have stuff in here in my home directory. But I am going to do ls/usr lib/Firefox. And let me show you the tab here. I'm going to just type in PL and hit tab, and there's only one thing that starts with that, so it completes that. And you see I have that lib/player.so in there. I'm going to use the command chmod 755. Since I didn't change into that directory, I have to type out the full path again. So again, I'm going to use the tab completion because there's only one thing in that directory starting with lib. Now you see it says operation not permitted. That's because I'm acting as a normal user. So I have to start that with sudo, or however you pronounce it. chmod 755 usr/lib Firefox plugins lib/player.so. And now I have to give my password, and that's it. Let me show you another command related to ls. If I put a dash, and then these are called flags. A will show all files, and L will give more information on each file, and H is called human readable, which will show the file sizes in kilobytes, bytes, and megabytes. So I'm going to do I should just change into that directory, but you see, when I use those flags, there's more information about this file here. I'm going to select it. In particular, I want you to point out this part right here at the beginning. You see the rwxr-xr-x. Those are permissions for the owner, the group, and the user. Owner, group, and all users. And then root means root is the owner of the file. So that's why we have to use that sudo to change any characteristics of that file. So you can see it's readable, writable, and executable by the user root, and then it's only it's readable and executable by the group, and it's readable and executable by all users. So let me show you something. I'm going to change the I have to use actually first let me just change into the directory. Okay. now I'm actually in the directory. You can see actually it shows in here where I am, the path on my command prompt line. I'm not sure if that's default. I think it is. So now if I just type ls, it'll show the files. And if I type ls-lah, in fact the order of that doesn't matter. We see the same thing we saw before. Now I'm going to do sudo chmod 644. Actually, let me show you this. I'm going to make it 700, which will only make it work for the owner, lib/player.so. And then I'm going to do ls-lah And you can see now the permission is different. When it was 700, the 7 makes it readable, writable, executable by the the owner, which is root. But the everybody else, you see there's no permissions here. So that that could be the problem with your Flash Player plugin, that it doesn't have permissions. So we're going to go and change it back again by doing sudo chmod 755. So the 5 and the 5 gives the read and write permission for the group and all users. So let's just check the command again once more. And you see it's back to the correct permission. Now let's check the other directory. And not Firefox, the Mozilla directory. Okay, and we can see it's listed here, lib/flashplayer.so. So it should work. It should work.